Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Sal Mahajan, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look into Amazon Augmented AI. So, what is Amazon Augmented AI? Amazon Augmented AI is a fully managed service that allows you to add human review to machine learning predictions. It is ideal for processing tasks that require human review, and you can implement human review when a model has a low confidence or is unclear. So basically, if you have a machine learning model and you after the model makes a prediction, you want to have a human to review that prediction just to make sure that the model was able to predict it accurately. That's where augmented AI would basically be used. And also you can implement this if your ML model or your machine learning model is trying to it has made a prediction and the confidence is pretty low. Then you can have a human intervene just to make sure that the prediction that the AI model has created is correct. A couple examples where you can use augmented AI is you can use it for image recognition, document review, and text moderation. So how does augmented AI work? Your ML model will make the prediction. After the ML model makes the prediction, your human review is added. So either if human review is needed, it is added automatically, or if you have set a rule that, hey, the confidence is low of the prediction, then human review is needed. And finally, the human will come in and review it, and whatever feedback is provided, it will be implemented or integrated back into the model, so the model can train on that and have better accuracy for future predictions. And we're going to talk about just some features about augmented AI. It's a flexible human review. You can have customized workflows that define review thresholds and choose reviewers. You have seamless integration. You have built-in support with various different AI/ML services provided by AWS, like TextTrack, Recognition, Comprehend, and augmented AI can also be implemented with custom AI models. And finally, it is cost efficient. You basically only pay for tasks that require human review. So this was a quick overview related to what is augmented AI. Let's dive right into the AWS console so you guys can get a demo related to augmented AI. Okay guys, as you can see, I am here on the Amazon AWS console. I am currently inside Amazon SageMaker because Amazon Augmented AI, or we also call it Amazon A2I, is basically part of Amazon SageMaker. So you can see there are two steps. One is you create your human review workflow. That is, when do you want the human review part to be added or implemented in your workflow. And finally is you create and start a human loop. That is, you give tasks to humans so that they are able to review it. So we're going to quickly go ahead and click on create human review workflow. You can provide your workflow name. You can enter a path to your Amazon S3 bucket where you want to store the output of the human review. So once the reviewer makes a review, you want to store that detail somewhere, so it's stored into an S3 bucket. And of course you need an IAM role. I always say to create a new IAM role. Then you have your task type, where you have three options over here. You can either have a TextTrack related a task, or a recognition, that is image related, or you can have something that is completely custom, wherein you have your custom model. So I'm just gonna choose TextTrack for this use case. We're gonna scroll down and you can see that Amazon TextTrack form extraction conditions for invoking human review. So you can see that you have three conditions over here. When you have identification confidence, or you have qualification confidence, you can see over here, trigger a human review for a specific form keys based on confidence score. You can choose that, or you can choose trigger human review for all form keys. Or finally, you can choose randomly send a sample. You can do that too. You can set your sample size. I'm just going to set 10%. Again, I'm not going to go ahead and create this. I'm just showing you some examples. and then you have your worker task template creation. Either you can create from a default template, or you can use your own template. I would always recommend to use the default template. That's always the best to get started with. And then you can see this is your worker task template design. You can provide your task description, for example, perform the task by following the instructions. Then you can provide instructions to your human so that they know what to do and what not to do, and if you have any additional instructions that you want to provide. And now this is a pretty good thing I want to talk about. Now you created a workflow. Now you know that, okay, you want to randomly send samples to a human for analysis. Now the question comes is, okay, now you want to send it to a human, but who do you want to send it to, right? So you have three options over here. You can use Amazon Mechanical Turk, you can have private, or you can have vendor. So firstly, I want to talk about private. Private is basically wherein you maintain the team of humans or experts that is going to review it. So basically it could be employees in your organization, it could be your team members, and so on. Second being vendor, wherein you hire a third-party vendor which specializes in human review, and they perform this human review for you. When would you use Amazon vendor? When you may have a lot of human review that comes in, and you do not want to have your employees just sitting and doing human reviews. That's where a vendor comes in. And finally, we have the first type that's mentioned over here, that is Amazon Mechanical Turk. This is more like a freelancing, that's an independent contractor. So Amazon Mechanical Turk is basically a center where there are a lot of independent contractors available that perform such AWS tasks for you. As you can see, they have a workforce of over 500,000 independent contractors. Now, these are not Amazon employees. They are, again, independent contractors. You pay them. You set a price per task, and you pay them basically for the number of tasks they complete. So if your price per task is, for example, $1, they complete 100 tasks, you pay them $100. So you can go ahead and you can choose your price per task. So you can choose whatever price you feel is suitable. Again, the highest price that you could go is to 1.920. And once you choose that, if you have any other additional configuration that you would like to have, you can do that. And then finally, you can, of course, click on create to create this Amazon Augmented AI, or we also call this Amazon A2I. So I hope you guys did get a good understanding related to Amazon Augmented AI. How can you implement human review to your AI model predictions? So I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, do subscribe, and do comment if there are any other topics out there that you guys would like me to cover. I hope you guys have a great day ahead. See ya. Take care. Bye-bye.